The Kitten Girl and the Enchanted Jungle. Once upon a time, in a quiet village bordered by silver rivers and green hills, there lived a small kitten girl named Luma. Her whiskers twitched with curiosity, and her paws longed for adventure. One golden morning, she whispered to herself, "Today I will walk into the jungle alone. If it holds secrets, I want to hear them." So with a tiny lantern strapped to her satchel and a ribbon tied to her tail, Luma stepped into the enchanted jungle. The moment she crossed the threshold of trees, the air shimmered. Sunbeams split into threads of gold that dangled like ribbons from the branches. Flowers leaned towards her as if to greet her, and the leaves rustled with soft laughter. Her first encounter was with a butterfly as big as a book, its wings glowing sapphire and emerald. "Welcome, little traveler," it said in a voice like bells. "Follow the path of light, and you will see wonders." Luma nodded, her eyes wide, and padded on. Not far ahead, she came upon a bridge woven from vines and moonlight. Beneath it flowed not water, but a stream of liquid starlight, where tiny silver fish leapt into the air, sparkling like diamonds. A fox with fur as white as snow sat at the edge, dipping its paw into the stream. "The jungle listens," the fox whispered. "What will you ask it, kitten?" Luma thought hard, then said, "I want to know how to be brave." The fox only smiled and vanished into mist. Deeper and deeper she went, until she reached a tree so ancient its bark glowed with runes. At its roots, a door appeared, small, round, and glowing faintly. Her lantern jingled as she knocked. The door creaked open, and out fluttered a dozen fireflies dressed like tiny fairies, carrying golden cups of nectar. They circled her, laughing softly. "You are the first to find us today, little one," they chimed. "Bravery is not in being fearless. It is in walking forward even when your paws tremble." The words sank into Luma's heart like warm honey. When the sky began to darken, a great owl with feathers of silver starlight swooped down. He lifted her gently onto his back and flew her above the treetops. From the sky, she saw the jungle glowing, flowers lit like lanterns, streams shining like glass, and animals bowing as if to honor her. The owl landed at the village edge and set her down softly. "You are no longer just a kitten girl," he said. "You are Luma, keeper of the jungle's secret.